Hello to everyone, I'm Kiranmai. Let's see how to make this bakery style coconut cookies. In this video, I'll share some tips and tricks to achieve perfect cookie texture. So do watch the video completely. Let's get started. In a mixing bowl, I'm taking 1/4 cup of softened room temperature butter. With the use of whisk, gently beat for 1 minute. Now add in 1/4 cup of caster sugar. If you don't have caster sugar, you can coarsely powder normal regular sugar too. Now gently beat the mixture. After 5 to 6 minutes of beating the mixture would change its color from pale yellow to pale white. As you can see, the mixture has turned pale white and it has become much creamier and fluffy. This is the perfect consistency to continue with. Now add in half cup of all-purpose flour by sieving it. Add half teaspoon of baking powder. Add half cup of desiccated coconut. I'm using a homemade one. If you wanna know the recipe, then do let me know in the comment section. Gently mix and form a dough. Do not overmix as the cookies will become hard. Take small portion of the dough and shape it as cookie. Now dip those cookies into milk. Coat it really well. Repeat the same with desiccated coconut too. Now refrigerate these cookies for about 6 hours at least. For oven setup, I have added a layer of salt in an iron kadai and kept a vessel over it and covered it with a lid and let it preheat for about 15 minutes on medium flame. After preheat, you can bake your cookies in kadai for about 20 minutes in medium flame. To bake in oven, bake at 180 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes in a preheated oven. So here you go, bakery style coconut cookies are ready to enjoy.
Hope you liked the video. Happy baking! Thanks for watching.
If you want to know how to make this amazing chocolate ombre cake, then do click on the left video.